All right. As you can see, I've got a project in front of me. We are going to make these little fairy jars. They're fairy dust, pixie dust. I guess it kind of goes with the name of my channel. Other people call them galaxy jars. These are a little different than other galaxy jars that are out there. I didn't like a lot of the look of the galaxy jar, and I felt like with what I had, the galaxy jar was made for a bigger container, so I needed something that worked in these little small containers that I have. I have a whole bag full of these things. Of course, glitter came in them. I have taken the glitter out and combined it. These were little glitter containers from the Dollar Tree in the nail art section. The glitters in them are really beautiful. These are glitter glue, actually glitter paint, not glitter glue. But these are from the Dollar Tree as well, and they come in a multiple of colors. Toothpicks, if you don't already have them on hand, you can get them in this cool little container with like a dispensing lid, and you get 2 of them that each have 100. I buy the refill now that I have the container from, guess where? The Dollar Tree. 500 toothpicks for $1. Can't go wrong. Hand sanitizer from, you guessed it, the Dollar Tree. Okay, real simple. This is the longest part. I had some of this already in here a couple days ago, but I got distracted and didn't make it. So you see some already in there, and it's evaporated. I had this whole thing full. Never dawned on me that this stuff evaporates if it's left open. So you have to go really slow and put just a little bit in at a time, because the opening is so small. And tap it down, and then get a toothpick, pick your color. I haven't done a green one yet, so I think I'm going to do green, yellow. I think I like the lighter color on the bottom, so I'm going to get my toothpick, and I'm going to take a gloop. I love the word gloop. The gloop of the glitter paint, and I'm going to convince that gloop to come off and go down in there. You don't have to worry about if you spread the color around or not, because that just gives it a little bit of personality. I think I'm going to put a little bit more in there, just a little bit. And it doesn't want to stay down in there. Gravity is my friend. And then I'm going to put another gloop in there. And now I'm going to get another toothpick. Forgot where I put my toothpicks. Now this one doesn't want to gloop out as easy. There we go. That's a good size. Gravity is my friend. And I just want to put just a little bit more. Kind of putting it at an angle when I'm tapping it, because that gets it down. And I'm sorry if that tapping hurts your ears or is aggravating or whatever. And then just another little gloop. If it doesn't want to go in, You can take a toothpick and kind of pop the air bubble that it kind of creates when it's going in. That's what keeps it from going out, is there's like an air bubble. And then take a dry towel. Make sure everything is dry around the edges. Oh, I forgot to list in the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need the glue gun, or like crazy glue or tacky glue. I'll try my tacky glue this time. I already have my glue gun turned on, but I don't think it's quite ready. And there was, I don't know, there was just, when I did the other ones, I closed them up with hot glue, and there's just something about it I didn't like. Like, I was afraid it didn't make a really good seal, I guess. And then I'm gonna put this cap in there. You gotta hold it until it catches, till the glue decides to hold it in place, because you've put so much liquid in here that there's not enough air, and well, there's air trapped in there now, and it's trying to get out, and it's trying to push the cap out. That's the one good thing about using the hot glue, is as soon as I put the cap in, I could let go. But look at that. Look at how the separation stays. The yellow will settle just a little bit more. Like this orange one, don't know if you can see the separation, but it's settled just a little bit. This has been done for about 4 or 5 days. Same with this one. I really like, see if I can get my camera to focus. There we go. Oh, come on, focus. Focus! No, it's not going to focus. It's too close. There we go. The separation stays, so it looks like it's magic. Okay, lesson learned, people. Hot glue is instant. Tacky glue is not. That's what I get for trying something new on camera. But, you know, that's how you learn. You just go ahead, jump in feet first to crafts, and if you mess up, you mess up. There's, you know, there's no judge, there's no jury, and, well, unless you're in a juried craft show. But you don't, you know, you don't have to worry about what other people think. You're your own worst critic, and nobody else is going to be harsher on you than you. Alright. See, I'm going to give up. I'm going to wipe this out a little bit. Wipe it out just a little bit. Going to wipe this off. So I don't want to sit there and hold this for like 20 minutes. I want to move on to my next one. I've got lots of crafts to do today. So I'm going to take my hot glue, and I'm going to roll it around on the inside, just like you saw me do with the tacky glue. And I don't know if you just heard that, but there's, because of the moisture in there, when the hot glue hits, it has a little spitting sound. So real cool. So there we go. Closed and sealed and ready to rock and roll. You can put this on a little, like, ball chain, make it a little keychain. These are glass, so you have to be careful. They will break. You can put them on a necklace chain. You can set them on your table. Where's my blue one? Oh, there it is. It rolled away. You can set them up on your table. You can set them in your fairy gardens. Whatever you like to do with them, they'll hang around for you. Okay, so if you like this, subscribe, hit the like button, share my videos around. I'm just starting out, so all the shares in the world help get my name out there, and I'll be grateful for it. If you want to see a different color set, or you have you want to see how it does with clear glue instead of hand sanitizer, tell me down below in the comments, and I'll see what I can come up with for you. Okay, with that, I'll say, catch you on the next one.